Hello, I'm Renee. I assess applications for members of our community seeking Working with Vulnerable People accreditation. Last year, my team and I processed almost 34,000 new applications and renewals. The best thing about my job is knowing that the people that have Working with Vulnerable People registration are the right people to be working with vulnerable members in our community. Almost 120,000 Canberrans have a Working with Vulnerable People registration. This can include volunteers as well as employed workers.